How to log into ASOS app or ASOS, ASOS. Well, to log into ASOS app, make sure you have the app, then open it up. Now, once you open it up, you should get an interface somewhat like this, as you can see here. Now, I'll just tap on no thanks. But here, now you want to choose whether you want here, women or men, what you prefer. I'll select men, I'll select okay, thanks. And now you can see I'm here on the app. However, I'm not yet logged in, right? Tap on the profile icon here at the bottom right corner, and from there tap on sign in, and now proceed to sign in here. So it'll ask you to choose your Google account or any other option to log in here. You can choose to log in either via Google, Facebook or Apple, or you can enter in your email and password to log in. Now here I'll just select my Google account real quick and proceed to log in here without any further delay. Now I have not yet created the account here, but setting this up should be easy. So I'm setting this up and logging in first time. As you can see, instead of sign up option, I use login option, and now it is asking me to enter in all necessary details here. I can tap on join ASOS and proceed to join it. Now you are logged in. This is simple and easy. Hope this video was helpful. To like and subscribe as well.